Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DDS Forensics. So hi, I'm Dia. I'm going to discuss about introduction to forensic sciences. फोरेंसिक साइंस सोच के सबके दिमाग में कुछ अलग आइडियोलॉजीज आते हैं, राइट? मेरे पहले आइडियोलॉजी का मुझे इतना याद नहीं, बट आई थिंक मेरे पेरेंट्स का रिएक्शन मुझे याद है. माय मदर वाज लाइक कि अरे लाइक डेड बॉडीज देखने जा रही है, ऑटोप्सी करेगी. एंड माय ब्रदर ही हैड अ वेरी गुड रिएक्शन, दैट वाज कि अरे वाह सीआईडी. तो जैसा कि मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स का रिएक्शन था, हो सकता है आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स का भी कुछ रिएक्शन हो या आपके मन में भी कुछ अलग अलग थॉट्स हो कि फोरेंसिक में आके बेसिकली इंसान क्या करता है, मतलब ऐसा करता है या नहीं करता है, या क्रिमिनल पकड़ता है, या हो सकता है कि एविडेंस ही कलेक्ट करना काम हो या फिर डेड बॉडीज ही देखना हो. बट ऐसा नहीं होता रियली. अगर हम बात करें रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स की, तो फोरेंसिक इज़ अ लॉट डिफरेंट जो हम सोचते हैं या जो हम सोच के एनरोल करते हैं. So here I am giving you a little glimpse to what is actually forensic science, what it deals with, what are their scopes, and most importantly what are their branches. Because you are going to enroll in this course, that is why you are going to watch this video, or maybe you have already enrolled in this course. So you all should know that what this field is all about. So here we are going to start with a little briefing about what is forensic science. Before knowing what actually forensic science is, we should also know what this term forensics means. So if you are going to do the etymology, actually not the etymology, forensic science has been divided into two terms. First is forensics and another is science. So science, we know it is the study of nature in all its aspects, whether it's the natural science, whether it's the applied sciences. But if you're going to talk about forensics, this term has been derived from a Latin term which means forensis. Forensis is a term which means forum, and forensics is a study of or before the forum. So forensics, if we study or we talk about, this means that it is a study where we should first know what forum is actually. Forum is a place where open public discussions take place. So in ancient Rome, what used to happen, that if there is an argument or any unsettlement happening between two or more people or family, so there is an open discussion which actually occurs in more like a club or a place where people will be hearing the stories to both the sides, and then they'll be making a judgment which is based on more accuracy or which is more relatable. So here the term forensics has been derived. You can see that forensics is something where we are actually using all these calculations, all these evidences. We are using all these evidences which are present to us, or which we are actually getting from the scene of crime. We will be using it for the court of law to make any kind of judgment and to get justice. So here you can see the definition of forensic science, which means it is defined as the application of science principles and methods to support legal decision making in matters of criminal and civil law. So it is basically application. Application means usage of science principle, which means the science, applied science or natural science, because of which we have derived some principles, and methods, like the methods adopted to make them to support legal decision making in matters of criminal and civil law. That means we use it in the court of justice to get justice to those who are actually seeking for that. Forensic science is also known as criminalistics in US. So both the terms are interchangeably used. So here you know what forensic science is all about. But yes, there are still some misconceptions which are present. First would be whether we will be dealing with, kicking the door and just entering to the crime scene. No, that's not our job. Another, will we be doing autopsy? No, that's not also our job. There are many or multiple mindsets you people must be having. Like I had a mindset कि मैं काफ़ी movies देखती थी, action movies, and there are some movies which includes this forensic work. So I used to think like, okay, and most importantly that CID, which actually made us believe कि okay, CID includes forensics, तो इसका मतलब है हमें भी ऐसे करके dots connect करने होंगे, ऐसे evidence से हमें suspect को ढूंढना होगा. We don't have to do that. It's not our work. तो जैसा कि आपने CID में देखा होगा, डॉक्टर सारों के ऑटोप्सी भी कर रहे हैं, बोन टेस्टिंग भी कर रहे हैं, आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसा हमारे फोरेंसिक साइंस में नहीं होता. देयर आर डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स, डिफरेंट डिविजन्स या डिफरेंट ब्रांचेज जिसे आप कह रहे हो, जिसमें आपकी स्पेशलाइजेशन होती है, जिसके बेसिस पे आपको सेपरेट किया जाता है. So here we are going to study about the different branches of forensic sciences. So as you can see here, we have these different 8 branches of forensic sciences. There are many sub branches in these branches. So we will be getting to know a little glimpse about what these branches are all about. First is the fingerprint and question document department. So basically this fingerprint and question document deals with some forged documents, what are the fingerprints that are found at the crime scene, and how with the help of these fingerprints and the question document we are able to relate the suspect or link the suspect to the crime scene or to the crime. So second is forensic biology. Forensic biology basically deals with DNA and some of the serological or visceral remains which has been used to detect the suspect or link the suspect. There are many sub-branches in forensic biology, which includes pathology, entomology, odontology, osteology, and there are many more. So forensic biology is a very vast field. So third is forensic chemistry and toxicology. Forensic chemistry mainly deals with alcohols, adulterants, and cases like drugs, more like petroleum, arson, and many more. So when it comes to toxicology, toxicology is the study of toxins or poisons. So here we deal with plant poison, animal poisons, miscellaneous poisons which are acting on our body causing death. Forensics physics is our fourth term. So forensic physics deals with skid marks, tool marks, glass, fibers, paint chips, etc. So next is digital and cyber forensics. This mainly deals with cracking the password or data extraction, and cases like audio authentication, video authentication, dealing with CCTVs. Next is crime scene management. Here you can deal with how to protect the crime scene, how to preserve the evidences, how to gather the evidences, how to document the evidences and sending it in a chain of custody to the forensic science laboratories or to the respective perspective. The next comes is the forensic psychology. So forensic psychology mainly deals with the mindset because of which a criminal is conducting a crime. So this area is also very vast, but it deals with severe kind of disorders. And last is environmental forensics. What are the environment and what are the causes which are leading to a crime to occur? So these are the branches. These are the very basic glimpse of these branches. For the branches to be studied in detail, we will have our next video, and there we will be discussing about the scope. What is the scope of forensic science in current scenario? Also in detail with like what are these branches in detail. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and share our video and subscribe to our channel to get the further notifications. And our channel is also present on the Instagram, so the link is given in the description. Please go and follow that as well. Thank you so much, and we will meet you in the next video.